This is what 26 million pesos can buy you in Makati, Philippines. Let's take a look. Welcome to Fortis Residences by DMCI Homes, a premium residential development located along Chino Rosas Avenue, one of Makati's most strategic addresses. There is a 100 square meter, 2-bedroom luxury residence featuring an expansive living and dining area, 2 private bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, a modern kitchen, a maid's quarter with its own bathroom, and a balcony with city views. Designed for discerning homeowners, this unit is ideal for high net worth individuals, international buyers, and investors seeking a prime Makati address. Fortis Residences offers seamless access to Makati CBD, Bonifacio Global City, and the airport, making it a highly desirable urban residence and investment asset. Residents enjoy resort-style amenities, including a skydeck pool, leisure pool, fully equipped gym, landscape open spaces, and exclusive lifestyle facilities, all within a secure and private community. And the best part? You can own this premium Makati residence for as low as 147,000 pesos per month. For private viewing and investment details, contact the information below.